Nope, gotta get closer. We're gonna have to put lots of candlelight out here because it is dark.
Can you see me, B?
Oh yeah. Wave, Jay. Oh, that's good.
Hi, Vic.
Hi, Vic. Wish you were here.
Hi, Cam. Hi, Kate.
It's very warm. Papa Jay. Oh, look at him go. He's still.
Go ahead, get in, B.
I can't with the camera.
Yeah. We're in our swimming pool. Can you see me pretty good?
Oh yeah.
Here, let me film you.
Don't.
Oh, from the top up. Where are you? Oh, there you are. Oh, there's Grandma swimming. Oh, she's a porpoise. She's a redfish. There's the lights in the house.
Jay, I cannot believe it.
Not too bad.
Yay! Yay! Yay!
Grandma got her swimming pool.
Yay!